Okay. Are you ready? Are you excited?
Tonight, we are celebrating two milestones, 45th anniversary and 900th meeting.
And let's keep the momentum, and we will following you and for another 45 years.
I want to say congratulations for 45 years. And I was looking at clubs. There are clubs that increase in members, clubs that decrease in members. You have kept the baton flame of success.
The 45th anniversary and 900th regular meeting are truly remarkable achievements. I'm happy to celebrate this milestone.
Okay. Let's take a quick look back at our history. The first official meeting took place in January 1981. At that time, there was only 9 Toastmasters Club in Japan. It's very old.
We really appreciate, tonight many guests are coming to celebrate our wonderful day. And I'm going to give you 2 table topics.
Everybody, thank you. Now, I'd like to close my speech to say, fellow Toastmasters, make my life colorful. It's wonderful.
Tomorrow comes. Scratch your head and think, how can I do better tomorrow than today?
I want to extend my warmest congratulations on a truly remarkable achievement for your 900th regular meeting and 45th club anniversary. Reaching this milestone is a testament to the dedication, passion, and resilience of every member who has contributed to the club's journey over the past 4.5 decades.